function, then is the definition, then is the function calling for its execution. Now let's see it practically. So here is the display function. Now I did not write anything, so I'm just writing a single statement that displays welcome. So now suppose if I just compile, I am going to get 0 errors or warnings, and if I run, I get no output. So you can see there is no output. The execution is ended. Now if you want to get this welcome on output screen, then you need to invoke this. So whenever you are calling this function, you require the function name followed by the parameter values. So there are no parameters, so no values we are providing, and end it with semicolon. Now again, one more thing is missing. There are only two elements. One is definition, other is calling, but declaration is also required. So if you don't write declaration and compile first, then we get a display was not declared in the scope error. We get an error that it is not declared. So for declaring, you will require the function signature, that is return type, function name, and the parameters. As it is, you need to copy without the definition. No definition, just the function name along with its return type and parameters is written in function declaration. So this is function declaration. And then here, this is called function call or calling. And this is function definition. So 3 elements will be required whenever you are using function in your program. So here, function definition, function call, function declaration. This is function declaration. So these are the 3 elements. Now if I compile, I get no errors, that you can see 0 errors or warnings. And when I run, if I run, I get the output printed as welcome, which is from display function. So this is how we write function in C++. Now suppose if you don't want to declare it, then instead of defining it after the main, you can define it before main. So when you are defining the function before main, then at that time, you don't require declaration. So you can remove the declaration at that time, which I'm doing now. So I am going to remove this declaration, and then, sorry, I'm removing this declaration. Only definition is present and calling is present. Now if I now compile, I get 0 errors, and when I run, I get the same output, welcome. So if you are writing the function definition before main function, then no need of declaration. But if you are writing the same after main, then you will get error if you don't declare. So you are going to get error. So at that time, you will be requiring the declaration, which will be nothing but the function return type along with the function name and parameters, like this. So if I now compile, I get no errors, like this. So this is how function is used in C++. So different types of functions, function with return type, without return type, with parameters, without parameters, what is return keyword, how it is used, we will be seeing in other videos.